There's a boy with a dream in his eyes, building castles in the morning skies.
Hey guys, welcome to XBA, Xander Brian Adventures.
Hey guys, so we are Florida bound. We are headed to an RV resort in Tampa. I will tell y'all more about it a little bit later, but say hi, Xander.
Hello.
We are about to head out. Say it.
This is the biggest trip we've done with the RV, and kind of nervous, but we got this.
Yeah.
We can do it.
Yeah, out of state, first out of state travels. All right, guys, we'll talk to you in a little bit. Hey guys, on this episode of Xander and Brian Adventures, we pack up the RV and head down to an RV resort in Tampa Bay. Along the way, we stop at Buc-ee's, we get some beef jerky, and Xander gets a picture with Buc-ee. It was pretty great. We travel down past the Georgia state line and travel on a road that has the most amazing moss I've ever seen. After a refreshing sleep, we wake up and have a sunrise dip in the pool.
Buc-ee's line.
We're in the Buc-ee's line?
Yeah. Take a picture with Buc-ee.
You're about to take a picture with Buc-ee. I like it. What all we got in here?
So let's see. So we got a sausage ring. No, this sausage ring. We got jerky. Can you guess?
What's the last one?
Jerky.
More jerky?
Thank you.
Your turn now. Get in there. Alrighty.
Hey, Buc-ee. Well, hey, Xander. Yay. This place is packed.
We're here with the brass Buc-ee.
Brass Buc-ee.
Brass Buc-ee.
On our way to Florida, dude. You ready?
Yeah. Alright. We got our jerky.
Buc-ee's has the best jerky, guys. It is amazing.
Amazing.
What do you think, Xander? Bohemian garlic?
For the win.
For the win. So Xander, morning swim? This place is beautiful.
Morning swim, amazing. Especially when the pool is heated.
Yeah, heated pool does not suck. Hey guys, stay tuned because we're going to go for a swim in the ocean, replenish our stockpiles, do some geocaching, get a sunset walk on the beach, and go crabbing after dark. Please subscribe for more content like this and stay tuned because the adventures continue.